Hey friends, if you wish to fix Microsoft OneDrive Personal Vault error code 0x80070490 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolutions. The first solution is to check the internet connection. Search for fast.com on your browser and hit enter. This will show you the internet speed. If it's good enough, then move on to the next solution, which is to check for updates on your system. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to Windows updates and click on check for updates. And then you can check the OneDrive server. So search for OneDrive server status in your search bar. On Bing and in the Microsoft Edge browser, by default you will get a message whether there is a sign of outage or not. Else you can go to portal.office.com/server status, and then the third option is OneDrive. Check if it's in green. Now if all of these checkboxes are ticked, then right click on the OneDrive icon, select settings, click on pause syncing, select quit OneDrive and then quit OneDrive. Search for OneDrive in the Windows search bar and open OneDrive. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.